Hello everyone, my name is Gabriela Verduga and today I'm going to talking about a topic of my assignment for language testing, and here we go. So the topic is using classroom-based language assessment. For talking about that, I'm going to answer 3 questions about that topic. So first one, we have to review something about what is classroom-based based language assessment. As you can see here, classroom-based assessment is an assessment that can be used by teachers to gather feedbacks as early and as often as possible on how well students learn, about what students are thinking, and what about the students are doing. There are fundamental questions to talk about this one, but as I told you, we are going to review 3 important questions to explain that. Yes, so first one, you have to know that classroom-based assessment functions, there are, for example, we have provide feedback learning process with assessment carried out by teachers in each lesson, that we can do it, for example, at the end of a lesson or at the end of a unit. It's important to know that teachers evaluate in every single class day by day, and that is important to improve the students' skills. This classroom-based language increases students' motivation. As you know, is really important that often we find the lack of the enthusiasm of learning in students. So we have provided students progress reports to parents. That is important when we are teachers for children, for example, and the parents need to know the progress about the knowledge that the students are acquiring. So we can see this is the first question. What do we give in assignments in the language classroom? Okay, testing our students is really important for us as teachers, because first we need to know what they know, the skills and the strategies shows in a global community interactions. We can test, or we can evaluate the performance and language skills, and the concept of language and cognitive knowledge. So the first one refers, conceptual knowledge refers what do you know, and the cognitive knowledge means or refers to if you know how to do something. Yes, so that is my second question. Why do we use language assessment? That is a really important question. And as I told you before, testing our students is really important for teachers. Why do we use it? It's simple. First one, we have to evaluate that the knowledge are acquired by students. Second one, we need to know if the methodologic and strategies are correctly used in our class. So we need to know if the students get the knowledge, if did they not? So we can change our strategies, or we can use another methodology to try to get the knowledge that we propose at the beginning of the class. So language assessment is really important if as language teacher or English teacher, we know that we have different aspects to cover. For example, we need to know how the grammar is working, the fluency, how they are working and they are speaking or listening, that we have different skills that we have to test, or we have to assessment in that case. So that is really important for us as teachers. Finally, why do we link students' assessment performance to the beneficial consequence that we want to help bring about? As I told you before, assessment is really important as teachers, of course. And we can use it first one. This assessment, there be a link to our planning. It's really important to that we try to get the knowledge that we plan for our students. We can use it to try to review how are they working in our subject. Another important thing that we have to know, and if we have to link a student's assessment performance to the beneficial consequence, is if we need to know, for example, a different planning for our students, or change the methodologic, and another things that we can break and achieve our goals in our class. So that was all for my video. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next opportunity. Goodbye, take care.